Okay, you know the rule of integration that if you have got dy by dx in the form, or let me write that on Jamboard in the simplified form. Jamboard, where is Jamboard? Here is Jamboard. You are Mr. Ammar. Pen, pen. Okay,
That's me.
okay.
That's me.
Hmm.
That's me.
If you have got uh, f of x, in fact f dash x is equal to k x raised to the power n. Okay, and you have to find f of x.
Where are you doing?
Slide 1 on Jamboard. Slide 1 on Jamboard. Yes, it's
Textbook.
no slide 1. You're on slide 2.
Yeah, but where is the textbook?
Here is the textbook. Why does it keep pausing? Wait, let me restart sharing. Oh, if I share over there in that device, it would stop sharing for you, I think. Let's see. Oh, no. I'll do it this way. Stop share. I'll share the other window with you. This with you. Share. Now I think it would keep on working.
Yes.
Yes. So you can see this textbook, this PDF thing, Adobe, right?
Uh-huh.
Hmm. What is the problem with this zoom now? Meeting controls. And this thing is appearing over here. It's also fine. Allahu Akbar. What's wrong with you, Zoom? You're sharing
What did
screen.
you do?
What did I do?
Because seems to be good.
Okay.
Where is my annotate? What have you done?
You can't annotate?
Ah, I can annotate. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. On Jamboard. On Jamboard.
Can you just annotate on this?
No need to annotate. We'll be using Jamboard. Okay. F of x will be k x raised to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the simple rule for integration. Got it?
And plus 1 and plus
Oh
1.
yes. Plus c. My bad. Plus c.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, then if we previously we knew if we had a function, we can find gradient of the function by differentiating it with respect to x, right?
Yes.
Now, if we are given differential of a function, we convert that differential into the original function.
Integrate.
By integration, yes. By integration, we get the actual function. The thing is that when we get the actual function, we get this plus c, this constant, which could be any constant we don't know. For that, to
Yeah.
get the actual value of this constant, we put one point. We put f of x is equal to y. We put x is equal to x. So we need one point with x and y coordinates to find this c. And then we find this c, and then we can have the value of the whole function. Got it?
Can you repeat?
Okay. When we integrate a particular differential of a function, when we integrate f dash x, we find the value of f of x in the form of this thing plus c. Agreed?
Just give me 1 second. I'll rejoin.
Okay. Let me open the solution thingy as well.
So what happened to Google Meet?
I was conducting class with one student and there was too much background noise, so I switched to Zoom and all his background noise vanished. So I realized it's better.
Nice. Okay.
Even though I still prefer that, but I don't know, felt like conducting the class on Zoom today.
Okay. 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 Now what? Now what?
Now we wait. Let me give you the question to solve. Okay, we were discussing
Yes.
this. We were discussing this thing of the problem. When we integrate something, we get the answer in the form of plus c. Okay, then how do we find the value of this actual plus c? We do that by we do that by um, we put in a point y comma x in this function, and c is the only variable. We'll find the value of c. So for
One point.
a point will be given, a point on the curve will be given, whichever function we are finding. Okay.
Okay. So you just put Y. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. You do 9a. There are just two questions from this 9a that you have to do.
Okay. Just to find you Y. Find Y. Given that to Y. How do you do that? Y is equal to 2x plus 3.
What?
F dash x. F dash x. So then I have to put fx, right? I have to put
Hmm.
fx.
Hmm.
Uh, so this is 4x square. We have to do 4 into 3, 12 plus 12x plus 5. Um, so that means minus 1 and then divide it 4 by 1 x 1 plus 12 by
Don't you have to do plus 1?
0 or plus 1. Yes. Forget x 3 3 12 by 2x plus 9x plus c, which gives me that.
Hmm.
This is y.
Hmm. Y is equal to 4 by 3 x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x plus c.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Next one. Okay, just a small thing. If you are given dy by dx, you by integration you find y. If you are given f dash x, by integration you find f of x. So just a small thing with regards to the terminology. Hmm.
Okay. 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 Chill. Chill. Relax. Just relax. Come on, relax. Just relax. I'm writing this now. Relax. plus C. Done? Done. Easy? GG.
Easy. All right. All right. Next thing we move on to, we'll be using the same principle. They're just using different names for the same thing. 9B, question number 10 through 14, please.
10 through 14. Given that f, find, okay, given that f, find integrate, uh, uh, I don't know what I'm doing. What?
First, convert this whole function with x in the numerator and the powers as positive or fractions.
Okay, okay. 6x minus 2 plus 4 half minus 3x plus 2. This will be here actually. But who cares? Uh, and integration 10
You write
into
this, just a small thing. You write this, you write dx.
k, and then uh,
Hmm. And
minus 6x minus 1 plus 2 4 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 2 x 2 x 3 by 2, and it's plus 2x plus c. So minus 6x
just
minus
just just
1.
just just there's a mistake in the last step. Just one term. This term recheck.
Um, 4, 3. Wait, is it
Okay,
in
okay.
the.
You did 4
Wait, wait,
into
wait.
4 it's correct. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct.
Okay. You're scamming me. I knew it.
Hmm.
4 into 2, 8 by 3 x by 2. Yeah, you get it. Right?
Perfect. Next one, please.
Okay, what about this thing? What do I have to do with this?
With what? This is just to be put in the first step. This is that we are beginning integration, and once you start applying this function, then you do this thing to the powers and the numerator, etc. So this is just to be written that integrate this with respect to dx.
Okay, so then this 8x cubed plus 6x minus 3x minus half whole d of x, and so then becomes 8 by 4x 4 plus 6 by 2 x 2 minus 3 into uh, 2 by 1 x 1 by 2 c. So it's 2x plus 3x squared minus 6x half plus c. Done.
Excellent. Next.
Uh, no, you do it. Show that 2 can be written as 4k. Okay. Uh, okay.
Is this
Okay.
really? Oh, the first part
I don't-
isn't. Hmm.
I think I understand how to do. 4 plus uh, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, uh, root x, which is 20x, uh, fx plus half, I mean, and then plus 5, 25x,
Hmm.
right? And so then uh, after this, what must be done is that this is 20, this is k. I mean, I have to write this in root only then, I guess.
Hmm.
So yeah,
So k is 20.
yeah.
And then the next step you have to do the differentiation. So back to the you have to do integration. So back to that that form.
God, yeah. This dx. So then we start from the other side. 25 by 2x squared plus 20 into 3 by 20 into 2 by 3 x 3 by 2
Hmm.
plus 4x plus c. So
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
okay, 40 by 3, I don't know what the,
Hmm.
yeah, x 3 by 2, blah, 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 yeah, blah, blah. You get it, you get it.
Okay. Perfect. Next.
Given that y is equal to, find the list form. Okay, so 3 by 6 square. Uh, is this it?
X raised to the power 6 by 2 minus 8. Second isn't correct. Minus half plus 1 would be what?
Sir, sir. You know what I meant.
Hmm. So 1 by 2 over here. Perfect. Next.
Um, P. Okay. So P by 2x squared. How does that work? P by 2x minus 2 plus P q integrate dx. Okay. So then P divided by minus 2 plus minus 2x minus 1 plus P q. Um, so that's x minus 1. Just added that to x minus 1 goes to the side. P P. But am I doing it right?
Hmm.
Okay. So that two x.
Just equate
What
that
is
p by minus 2 is equal to 2.
P by minus two is equal to two?
So p is equal to minus 4, right?
What? Can you do it on the screen? So, but how do we know it's two?
Comparing
What? So it's not like
the constants of x raised to the power minus 1 or 1 by x. P is a constant over here. You have to don't think of p as a variable.
this is not like solving.
Is what like not solving?
I don't get it. So is left hand side equal to right hand side?
Hmm. They are.
Okay, but how do we know that something with two variables is,
What two
I mean,
variables? Hmm.
I mean two things
Hmm.
like on the something with this and this is same because here there are three
Haven't they told us in the
things.
question? They have told us
No.
that they're equal to each other. X2 plus 2 by x. You didn't add plus c when you integrated. So now
Oh
c
yes.
compares to c, and with
You see
pq,
now that makes
pq
sense.
did with pq also you didn't make x. You should have written x over here as well.
Yes,
So
yes,
x
yes,
x
yes.
then 10 is equal to pq, and x minus 1's compares, so 2 is equal to p by minus 2.
And then PQ is equal to 10.
Hmm.
And so, okay, okay. Q is equal to 10 by 4. Okay, okay, I got it.
10
I
by minus
got it.
4, so it's minus 2.5.
I didn't get it.
Didn't get it? Okay, quickly.
I
9c.
got it, I got it.
Question number. Question number. Question
Give me
number.
1 second, I'll go to the washroom.
Sure.
Oh, sir.
Hmm. Question number 4 through 10. Exercise 9c.
Okay. F of x is equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3. Okay. 9 by 3 x cubed plus 4 by 2 x square minus 3x plus c. Okay. Then this becomes 3 times 2. Okay. And then replace the value. X y is equal to 0. This is equal to 3 minus 1 cube. X2 minus 1 square minus 3 1 plus c. And so then 3 minus 1 square plus 2 square minus 3 minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. Yeah.
Now you write complete f of x. F of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 2x squared
Minus
minus
3x.
3x minus 2. Hmm.
Now,
Next.
why are these 5 mark questions so easy? Watch me completely fail this next one. Okay. Fine. Y is equal to 10 and x is equal to 12. Find y in terms of x given each okay. So 1, 2, 3, 2 x half minus 2 uh, 1 plus 1 by 2 5 by 2 2, 2 by 5 x by 2 1 to 6 x minus 4 by 5 2 and find y in terms of x inlet. This is y, right?
6x raised to the power half minus 4 by 5. Is it 4 by 5? It's 4 by 5 x raised to the power 5 by 2 plus c.
Yeah. And so now I just have to put in the values 10 and 4 and I'll get c and then I'll put that in this.
Point c.
So why are you messing with me like this?
This is just the last exercise of the whole syllabus, right? Then the
No,
syllabus end. Yes, it is.
no,
Here you go.
no, you're wrong. I don't care what you say, you're still wrong.
I am. I am.
I'm eating bounty. You like bounty?
Bunty.
Bounty. Bounty.
What's that?
Bounty, you know, chocolate bounty.
Bounty. Oh yes, I do.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Who does not?
Oh, yeah. Minus 68. 10 plus answer. Favorite chocolates are Bounty and Milky Way. C is equal to 23.6.
Could you give me in fraction form?
I really can't. Like
Uh,
it's 118 by 5 plus 10.
it's 118/5.
Yeah.
C is 118/5, not plus 10.
Wow. How would that make sense?
So for C, you have to do 10 minus 6 into 4 raised to the power half
Oh yeah,
minus
I did it.
4
Yeah,
by
yeah,
5.
yeah, 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 you're right, you're right, you're right.
Okay.
Relax.
So C is 118/5. So your original function, what would it become? Y. 6x raised to the power half minus 4 by 5 x raised to the power 5 by 2 plus 118/5. Okay. Next.
Actually, no, you're not right.
I'm right.
You're wrong. You're wrong.
Hmm.
It's wrong.
Okay.
This is 10, y is 10, right?
Hmm.
This is 6, 4, half minus 4 by 5, 4, 5 by 2 plus c.
Hmm.
All of this is 68 by 5.
See, simple, simple, simple. Wait, wait.
68 by 5 plus 10 is what? It's 118 by 5.
Hmm. So,
Yeah, so it's 118 by 5.
okay. Next.
I added 10 and then I added 10 again
Hmm.
because I forgot that I added 10.
Hmm.
Okay, so don't question me. 7, 6, 5, 7, 6.
6,
Yeah.
please. Hmm.
Given that 6x plus 5 can be written right down. Okay. 6 by root x plus 5x 3 by 2 by root x. I remove root x from the denominator. Okay, and then I take it up and this becomes half and then this becomes, what was this? This was 3 by 2, right? Right? So this becomes 3 by 2 minus half is what, sir?
1.
I knew that. 1. So this becomes 1. And so it's this thingy majiggy is yeah,
So P is half and Q is 1.
yeah,
Okay. And now
right?
differentiation. Sorry, integration.
Wow, again, there you go, again, again, again,
Hmm.
try to confuse me.
Hmm.
Why, sir? Just why? Can't you just be happy with yourself for once in your life?
Why not?
6, 6. That is a good point, honestly. I didn't think about that. Why not? Did I ever tell you how smart you are? To, let me not do this. We just put y is equal to 6x by into 2 by 3, 3 by 2 plus 5x by 2 square plus c hundo 6 into 2 12 12 by 3 4 4 is equal to x 3 by 2 plus whatever. So 4 so let me write just in case. 4 x is what, 9 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 9 square. Mm-hmm. 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 Answer minus 100. Sir, it's minus 421 by 2.
Correct.
So yeah, blah blah blah. You get the point.
y is equal to y is equal to 4x raised to the power 3 by 2.
Why doesn't the whole paper be integration? Why does the paper have to be? Why?
4x is equal to 3 by 2.
Sir, 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 sir,
Hmm. Plus
sir,
5 by 2 x squared.
sir.
X squared then minus 421 by 2. Next question, please. Did we do
I
integration with
forfeit.
limits for P2?
Yeah.
Hmm. Did you get? You
Okay.
haven't got to the integration part in P3 yet, right?
No. Why?
You'd like it.
No, no.
I
You
don't. I
didn't.
don't know if integration of functions, those trigonometric ratios, if that's in P3 or P4.
I think it's P3.
Integration of functions, trigonometric ratios. Why do I keep saying
Yeah.
functions? Integration of
Yeah,
trigonometric
yeah, yeah.
ratios. Hmm.
Yeah, I think it's just P3.
I don't know if these are given in your formula booklet or not. Hopefully they are. We weren't given those, so we had to memorize those.
I actually memorized the limit thing also. I memorized. I didn't even use the formula booklet.
Hmm. It's
But
easier
I did
that
it
way.
so many times. I
Hmm.
did it so many times it just came.
The trapezium rule.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Came with my head. I'm a genius. What kind of stuff? So, um, um, I forfeit. So this has something to do with physics and I forfeit. Sir,
Take back your feature and start solving it. You're given. Just ignore the first thing. See that f dash t is this. Find f of t.
no, I can't do it. My mind has stopped working as soon as I saw the word velocity. So,
Nice.
so stop it.
You
This
don't
is
need any
bullying.
specific knowledge of mechanics to answer this question. You're told that displacement of the particle t is given by f of t.
Blah 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 blah. That's all I'm hearing right now.
Come on, start solving it.
Bye. So what's your problem? I hate this. I can't. Wanna just shoot myself.
Let me hard
Um.
question it. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Is this the answer?
Is the answer what? Is the answer 10t minus 5 by 2t squared? It is Mr. Plus c, plus c, plus c. Where is your plus c?
It's because it's physics. I forgot. Uh. T. I just replaced this with 3, so it becomes F3. You get the point. You get it. Don't tell me you don't. Just don't. Just don't. Just don't. Just don't. 30 minus 3 square is what, sir? 9. 9 into 2 is what, sir?
18.
I don't need it. uh, 5 by 2 into 9, sir. Or to 5 by 2. Such a loser. Answer plus 30. No. Minus 45 by 2 plus 30 gives me 15 by 2. F3 is equal to 15 by 2. Okay. Sir, I don't
Okay,
know.
15 by 2, 7.5. That's the answer. Next question.
Oh, sir, I'm taking physics again.
You should be.
Okay. Ah, no, this one for sure I quit. Don't even try. Don't even. Second, I see time, velocity, this and all, my mind goes round and round and round and round. I'm not doing well.
You're doing what?
I'm not doing. Can you just show me the marking scheme because I don't know what to do. I know the first one. Like,
Do the first one,
oh,
and then we'll see what to do about the rest of it.
yeah. And then I know the second one.
Oh, where is your plus C?
Um, uh, F, 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 F. Okay, and then C is 38, 35, I mean. I know that. And then it's actually minus 35. That's actually plus 35. I know that. So height is 35, C is 35. Huh? Sir, sir,
It is
sir,
35.
I
It
think
is 35. It is 35. Stop.
no. It's answer of C question 35.
What? F of 1.5 is what?
I don't know. It's that plus 35.
1 second, Amar. 1 second. I'm sorry. C is 35 and f of 1.5, we have written that right, minus 9.8 by 2 into 1.5 squared plus 35. What answer did you get?
I didn't write it.
It's there on Jamboard, that's
Something.
what I said.
I mean, I didn't type the answer. I mean, I didn't put it in the calculator.
Go ahead and do it.
Well, please, don't touch him.
This is the last question of syllabus.
I'm too lazy. I can't do it.
You
I
have to do
quit.
f of 1.5, f of 0, then part D and E. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Yeah, I can't do it. Tell you. And 959 by 40. Is that the height? Sir,
Height. Height of what? Height of arrow is 23.975.
sir, C answer.
You're speaking Chinese right now.
C
Hmm.
959 by
No,
40.
C is 35. F of
I
0
told
is
you it's 35.
35.
You told me C. You told me I lied. And so
You're
I
just
lied.
mumbling various phrases here and there, and I don't understand what you're saying. Okay,
Sir, you won't
D.
get it. My
D.
brain works too fast.
Okay.
B is minus 441 by 40, right? Sir, sir, right?
It's going to be
Sir,
23.975. This one is 23.975. It can't be minus. Its height can't be minus.
who told you?
Somebody whispered in my ear. Okay. Part D.
Forget everything you know about physics.
Okay.
Learn from me.
Done. Done.
I still don't get what you're saying. How?
Put these values in calculator. Minus 4.9 into 1.5 squared plus 35. The answer would be 23.975.
No, it's not. Oh, that's what I was saying. 950. Sir, this one that you made me remove. 959 by 40. Sir, you're a big scammer nowadays.
So you're
Uh,
jumping from question to question without telling me which one you are on right now. Anyways, both B and C are done.
sir,
On to D. Part D. Part D.
part D, estimate the time it will take the arrow to hit the ground. How would I know? Like what?
Rearrange, make T the subject. Find the value of T.
I don't know
The
what that
arrow
means.
the arrow will hit the ground when the height is 0.
No idea.
So put y f of x is equal to 0. 4.9 t squared plus 35 is equal to 0.
I don't know what you're saying. Can you write it on slide 2?
Okay. Slide 2. Bismillah. This will become minus 4.9 t squared t squared plus 35 is equal to 0, which means that 4.9 t squared is equal to 35. T is equal to 35 by 4.9 under root.
What? Why
What
is it
was a
0?
because it will hit the ground when the height of arrow is 0.
Hitting is not a good thing. That's all I'm going to say.
Hmm.
It's base, it's borderline abuse.
Okay,
You
Mr.
know, it's
Borderline,
not.
what about part E?
Mm, State one assumption used in your calculation. An assumption
You're
that
gonna
I know math.
you're gonna like it.
Uh, no.
The assumption is that the
String.
ground is flat.
There's no way. No way. There's no
Okay,
way.
okay. So
Actually, I have a better assumption. The air, the air is uh 0.
air resistance is
Wait,
negligible.
air resistance. That's what I meant. Yeah, air is 0. See, as soon as I quit physics, I start saying air is
So
0.
this thing is happening in a vacuum. Okay, mister.
Yeah,
Shall we start past papers from tomorrow? Have you already started working on any?
kind of, I guess.
And what about this
Sir, can you
shift?
send me that thing I sent you that day?
Sure, I can and I will. These review exercises, are they with reference to just the second part of the book? You're asking about that exam paper file, right? The one with all the exams in it.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.